Here's the app called Amora, a hint of your soulmate. So you can get a soulmate sketch, discover your soulmate, a glimpse into the future of your love journey, you plus him decoded. Your soulmate revealed. Have you ever wondered what your soulmate looks like? Join thousands of people around the world and get a glimpse of your future love with a personalized drawing. Using advanced personality psychology and relationship science, Amora creates a realistic portrait of your soulmate and reveals insights about your ideal partner and your compatibility. And now with our latest update, you can also explore your compatibility with friends and family. So get started in minutes, complete your profile, receive drawing and personalized compatibility insights. And then, let's just check it out. So here you have it. You can see when I created the account, you can just tap show me, and then you need to upgrade to see it. $10 per week. And then there is some glimpse, so you can see like what's like your ideal person based on your horoscope would look like. Some of the additional details. So for example, this is just what you can see. That's the idea. And so that's what you have. You can get free coins. Get 3 coins each time a friend uses your code. So here you can see your code, share the code, and then you can enter friend's code, enter code in here. So get 3 coins each time a friend uses your code, and they get 3. So feel free to use my invite code as well in here. So that's the idea.